delivers digital audio and video from a computer's DisplayPort output to the DisplayPort input of a monitor, TV, or projector. DisplayPort with latches male to male, black color. 25 feet. Digital audio and video over a single connection at up to 4K resolutions at 3840 by 2160, Ultra HD, 1080p Full HD, as well as uncompressed digital audio channels at 7.1, 5.1 and 2-channel audio formats. DisplayPort connector with latches provides a secure connection with a release button that must be depressed before unplugging. Cablelera's 28 Aruban Florins DisplayPort cable delivers high-definition video and audio signals from a computer's DisplayPort output to a monitor, HDTV, or projector. The cable is designed with gold-plated and latching DisplayPort connector to provide superior cable performance and secure connection for up to 4K at 60 Hz resolutions. The DisplayPort cable is compliant to version 1.2 specifications and it's backwards compatible. Top reviews from the United States. Moved room heating PC into the closet. It's not an issue during winter, but in summer, my office stays about 5 to 8 degrees hotter than the rest of the house. Nothing like trying to work and sweating. I opted to move my PC into a walk-in closet and ran this guy for video signal, works great.